Just put eggs in Coca-Cola and you're gonna thank me for this. It's just amazing. And hey everyone, this is really amazing. Here I put 2 eggs in about 7 ounces of Coca-Cola. Now I'm gonna close it and shake it very well. And pay close attention to this tip because it's really amazing. I'm sure when you see the results, you're gonna try it right away. So after mixing very well, it's gonna start to change color, turning kind of brown. Now we're gonna need a blender. Carefully open the bottle and pour the entire mixture in. And check out the consistency it gets. It's a very creamy texture. After adding the mixture, let's also add a full tablespoon of margarine. Then make sure to close the blender and blend until totally homogeneous. Once that's done, let's also add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. You have no idea what will come out of this recipe. Then let's also add 7 ounces of chocolate pounder. After that, close it and blend for another 2 minutes. And finally, let's add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And let's mix one last time. After mixing well, take a pan already greased with margarine and also dusted with chocolate pounder. Then let's go ahead and pour all the batter in. And guys, look what a beautiful batter. After that, just take it to the oven at 536 degrees Fahrenheit and leave it there for about 30 minutes. It's super quick and I'll show you how it turns out. And look guys, now our cake is already done. A delicious Coca-Cola cake. Have you ever seen one before? It's delicious and as you can see, it's pretty beautiful too. You can already remove it from the pan and if you want, you can consume it as it is. But I want to go even further. So let's pour over a dark chocolate ganache. To make the ganache, just melt the chocolate and mix it with heavy cream. It's amazing. And check this out folks, I just cut a piece here. See how it turns out super fluffy? I'm sure you never imagined eating a Coca-Cola cake in your life, right? This cake is super delicious and everyone loves it here at home. So that's it. Really hope you liked it. Don't forget to make it at home. I'm sure you and your folks are gonna love it. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.